Hi guys, today I'm staying at M Resort at Mount Kiara or Bukit Damansara. So I'll just give you guys a quick room tour. So this is how the room looks like. I've got twin beds because I've got a roommate coming later. And there's a work desk for you. I'm on the first floor, so my room doesn't have much of a view. It's just facing the highway right now. You've got a TV and the toilet is right there. So that's the door, and as you walk in, very nice big floor-length mirror as you walk in. But if you open it, the toilet is here. So this is the vanity area. And you've got a light-up mirror. Oops, there we go, which is great for doing makeup. And this is the shower area, but it's very see-through at the moment. Thankfully, they do have blinds that you can use to cover up the area, so that definitely helps. I do want to mention about the hotel is that it comes as a shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1, and it doesn't come separately. So I am regretting my decision not to bring my own conditioner right now. But at the sink you do have body lotion, and you have all of the amenities like shower cap, toothbrush. Yeah. And you also have a safe outside the toilet. Okay, slippers. Oh, hair dryer is here, and that's the safe. Oops. And right below the TV area, you have this cabinet. So if you open the cabinet, that's where you will find some snacks, Nescafe, green tea, and also your kettle will be down here. So the pool is on the ground floor of the hotel. It's quite nice. It's right next to the lobby. And there's also lots of lounge chairs and a bar. This is where you go for breakfast. Breakfast in the morning. It's really early. It's 7 something now, like 7:15. Yeah, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. So the gym is on the first floor. You go across from the pool. And you get this amazing view. There is also a yoga room, but it's empty right now. It's a nice view from the yoga room of the pool as well. So just for reference, the lobby is right there. So the gym is across from the lobby, and the rooms are actually on this building. The walkway to go back to the room is so dark.